Hello friends and dear students, welcome to this third video lesson of English idioms. Idioms from 151 to 200. These are mostly used English idioms. If you wish to watch the first video, second and third from 1 to 150, the video links are given in the description box of this video. At first you will hear each idiom twice. Listen carefully and notice the proper pronunciation of each idiom. You will get sufficient time to speak along with me the second time. Then the meaning of the idiom in Hindi and English both and its use in sentence. So, are you ready? Then here is the idiom number 1012-200. Here comes first. Stuff and nonsense. Stuff and nonsense. Meaning irrelevant talk. Anargal baat. What he says is all stuff and nonsense. Spell bankruptcy. Spell bankruptcy. Bring insolvency. दिवालिया हो जाना. Heavy losses incurred in the business of exports brought insolvency to the business. Snake in the grass. Snake in the grass. A friend in foe. दुश्मन के भेष में मित्र. और इट्स अपोजिट, मित्र के भेष में दुश्मन. We cannot trust him. He is a snake in the grass. Slip of the tongue. Slip of the tongue. Inadvertent wrong words. जिसे कहते हैं जुबान फिसलना, गलती से कुछ बोल देना. I felt shame when I actually meant to say same. It was a slip of the tongue. See an eye to eye. It means to have similar view. एक ही मत होना. The father and his son do not see an eye to eye on any matter. Tooth and nail. Tooth and nail. It means with full might. पूरी ताकत से. We shall fight tooth and nail for our rights. To and fro. To and fro. It is forward and backward. और आगे पीछे चहलकदमी करना. He was walking to and fro in his garden. Take to one's heels. Take to one's heel. Meaning is run away. मैदान छोड़कर भाग जाना. On seeing the police, the thief took to his heels. Turn over a new leaf. Turn over a new leaf means change for better. अच्छे के लिए परिवर्तन करना. The new manager has turned a new leaf in profitability of company. Thorough thick and thin. Good and bad times. अच्छा और बुरा वक्त. My friend stood with me in my thick and thin. Take for granted. Take for granted. To be complacent. निश्चित मान लेना. We cannot take our success for granted. Throw cold water. Throw cold water. To stop or discourage. उत्साह तोड़ना, his partner threw cold waters on his all plans to the last farthing, each or last penny, और पैसा पैसा करके खर्च कर देना. He had repaid his debt to the last farthing. To his face, it means in the presence of. मुंह पर ही कह देना. I will call him a liar to his face. Take heart. Take heart. Have courage. हिम्मत रखना, हिम्मत दिखाना. Take heart to the failure. Where it should be, do not take heart to the failure and try again fresh. Testing time. Testing time. It is hard time. मुश्किल समय. When the nation is attacked, it is a testing time for all. Turn a deaf ear. Turn a deaf ear. It means to pay no attention. अनसुना कर देना. The management board turned a deaf ear to our request for an increase in salary. Take stock of. Take stock of. To assess the situation. स्थिति का आकलन करना. You must take stock of the situation before starting a new business. 3 hours. 3 hours. It means read, write and calculate. पढ़ना, लिखना और हिसाब किताब लगाना. इसके लिए इडियम है 3 hours. Read, write and calculate. Most of the farmers do not know 3 hours of their farming account. Take the chair. Take the chair to preside over a function or to hold an office. सभापति होना. The mayor was requesting to take the chair and guide the conference. The mayor was requested. Ups and downs. Ups and downs. Hard and difficulties of life. जीवन के उतार चढ़ाव. Life is full of ups and downs. Next is up and down. Earlier was ups and downs. Now it is up and down. Its meaning is forward and backward. आगे पीछे चहलकदमी करना. He was walking up and down the railway platform. Uphill task. Uphill task. Very difficult work. बहुत कठिन कार्य है. To learn Chinese is an uphill task for me. Up and doing. Up and doing. Active for a work. कार्य में लगे रहना. We must be up and doing now for finishing our project in time. Wage and means. Wage and means. Resources to do some activity. किसी भी कार्य करने के लिए साधन या उपाय. The officers discussed the ways and means to stop crime in the city. The whys and the wherefores. The whys and the wherefores. All the reasons. सभी कारण. We do not know the whys and the wherefores of his dismissal from service. Worship the rising sun. Worship the rising sun. To respect or honor a newly successful person. नए उगते सूर्य को सलाम मीन्स नए प्रभावशाली व्यक्ति की सराहना या पूजा करना. He is a clever man and he always worships the rising sun. With might and main, with might and mains, with full strength, पूरी ताकत के साथ. You will succeed only when you work with might and main. With a vengeance. With a vengeance means to take revenge. बदले की भावना से. Government is working with vengeance for the leaders of opposition party. Wide of the mark. Wide of the mark is away from the target. निशाने से चूकना. Most of the bullets hit wide of the mark. White elephant. White elephant. Big investment with no profit. दिखावे की वस्तु. सफेद हाथी. A second-hand car is a white elephant. Wild goose chase. Wild goose chase. A try in vain. व्यर्थ की कोशिश. निष्फल प्रयास. My new businesses of art and craft lastly proved a wild goose chase. It means did not have any profit, though the investment was very big amount. A wild goose chase. Neck and neck. Neck and neck. To compete closely. बराबर की टक्कर देना. Neck and neck. These two boys ran neck and neck for the first 100 meters. Put on flesh. Put on flesh. Gain in weight. मोटा हो जाना. You are too slim. You must put on some flesh. Play the fool. Play the fool. Act like a stupid person. बेवकूफ की तरह हरकत करना. Don't play the fool. Be serious in your job. Play double game. Play a double game. It means act करनी. धूर्त बनना. By helping both Israel and Syria, America is playing a double game. To the utmost. To the utmost means to the extent possible. यथा संभव. I helped him to the utmost. Testing time. Testing time. Very difficult time. परीक्षा की घड़ी. When the nation is attacked, it is a testing time for the army. Boon or bane. Boon or bane means bliss or curse. वरदान या अभिशाप. Nuclear energy is boon or bane. It depends on its usage. Make or mar. Make or mar. It is do or destroy. बनाना या बिगाड़ना. Habits made in childhood can make or mar one's future. Do or die. Do or die. It means either succeed or perish. या तो करो या मरो. This is a matter of do and die for me. Break a leg. Break a leg. Its meaning is good luck. अच्छी किस्मत. Moving to Mumbai has proved a break a leg for me. Old age the hill. Old as the hill. A very old person. Mr. Ramdas is 100. He is old as the hill. Up for grab. Up for grab. Available at cheap price. बहुत सस्ते में मिलना. This is the end of the seasons. The things in sale are up for grab. Once in a blue moon. Once in a blue moon. Something that happens very rarely. यदा कदा होने वाला. Lunar eclipse happens once in a blue moon on black nights. Knee-jerk reaction. Knee-jerk reaction. Ad hoc and rushed response. Akshmik प्रतिक्रिया. A knee-jerk reaction of traffic police is not going to solve the traffic problems of city. Hang in there. Hang in there. Means don't give up. थक हार कर छोड़ना नहीं. Hang in there for a few days more. You will certainly succeed. Copycat. Copycat. Exactly the same thing. हूबहू नकल करना. This answer copy is a copycat of some other student. Bookworm. Bookworm. Who reads very much. किताबी केड़ा. A person who reads books all the time. Do not be a bookworm. Visit sometime playground too. See eye to eye. See eye to eye. Agree with someone. सहमत हो जाना. एक ही विचार रखना. I see eye to eye with him on his idea of starting a new business. Keep an eye on. Keep an eye on. Take care or supervise. ख्याल रखना या नजर रखना. Parents should keep an eye on the company of their children. Pat on the back. Pat on the back. Its meaning is praise or recognize. प्रशंसा करना या पहचान करना. I got a pat on the back from my father for my success in exam. So friends, this is the last idiom, eagle beaver. Eagle beaver. Work very hard and be enthusiastic. मेहनत और उत्सुकता से कार्य करने वाला व्यक्ति. Ravi is always an eager beaver for his farming work. With this, we have come to the end of our all 200 idioms in 4 video lessons. I think you have enjoyed and learned the beautiful idioms. Thanks for watching. Subscribe the channel. Like the videos, share with your friends.